It's only 2 years since Ian and Carol-Lynn Robbins took over the Lauriston Court Hotel in Llandudno. It's an early start 7 days a week for the former nurse and kitchen fitter at their 11-bedroom hotel on the seafront.
It's so satisfying. It's just such a great job, but you've really got to have energy. You've got to be very caring. You've got to be able to offer the guests a really positive experience while they're here. You've got to really want to do the job.
Morning.
Oh, good morning.
What would you like for breakfast this morning?
This morning we'll cook 20 breakfasts, and we're well on our way now. Traditional breakfast cooked by Welsh women.
More than 77,000 people work in the Welsh hospitality industry. It's the food and drink sector with the largest turnover, £2.2 billion a year. But staff turnover is also high. That means training employees well is essential.
Right, today we've got 5 departs and 5 rooms where guests are staying.
I think it's a very important part that also as an owner, as a manager, that you share your training and your skills with other people by giving them all aspects of the business.
We try and look after them. They seem to enjoy the job really, very, very much. They get satisfaction from having rewards, praise. We have little letters left in the room sometimes for them.
I'm a housekeeper at the Lauriston Court Hotel. I've been here for about a year now, and I enjoy it very much. I did my MVQ level 2 in housekeeping and hospitality back in a hotel in Manchester. Presentation, I say, make sure everything is perfect. The little, like, I put a fold on a tissue in the toilet just to give it that little bit extra.
We don't just train and let them get on with it. We are constantly reminding them about the standards that we're aiming for.
I've had no training before this job. We've done it all on the job here. Carol-Lynn's going to do my MVQs in hospitality here with me. It means a lot because I really enjoy my job here, and I'd like to have my own business one day.
Well-trained staff and happy guests have led to worldwide recognition. Lauriston Court beat hotels in Palm Springs and Morocco to be named Best in the World for service. The announcement triggered 20,000 hits on the hotel's website in just 48 hours.
It's been amazing really, because we beat 650,000 other hotels. It has come from our guests. It's not what some formal body has said, it's our guests, and that's what makes it so special and so real.
The most remarkable thing, I think, is the service, though. It was fantastic. We felt that we were visiting friends.
It's just so cosy. It's just like being back in your own home, especially in your living room or your bedroom. It's just really cosy and friendly.
The staff are just, honestly, I've never ever stayed anywhere where they're just so friendly. It's lovely, isn't it?
Yeah, it's been a very, very nice experience.
Guest expectation is much, much more increased, even for a small hotel B&B. We have a really good website that's very user-friendly. We have a Lauriston Court app which we've developed ourselves. You can never be complacent. You've got to really be trying to look at the research and to be moving on and being innovative. It's great. I love it.